So I got my hands on the Solyball Cooling Ace, and honestly, I went in expecting a mini air conditioner, but that's not really what this is. What you're getting here is basically a compact desk fan-style cooler. It looks sleek online, the ads make it seem like it can drop the temperature in your room fast, but in real use, it's much more of a personal breeze device than a true cooling system. Setup is simple. Fill it, plug it in, and switch it on. It does give you a nice airflow, especially if you're sitting right in front of it. But don't expect it to cool an entire room. That's where the marketing gets a bit ahead of reality. On the plus side, it's portable, quiet enough for a desk, and doesn't use much power. Perfect for close-range use like working, studying, or bedside cooling. But here's the truth. It's not replacing an air conditioner, not even close. So is it worth your money in 2020? If you know what you're buying, a small personal fan, it's okay. If you expect real AC level cooling, you'll be disappointed. Bottom line, useful but overhyped.